When the game is on the line, film study is everything. If you can spot a mistake before it happens, you can save yourself a lot of pain. It could be a broken water pump, radiator, or worse. And if your car warranty is expired, these repairs can come with a big price tag. It's hits like this that make me glad I have CarShield. These are the moments every driver says, uh-oh, how expensive is this going to be? But CarShield customers, we don't panic, because for one low month-to-month rate, you get protection on up to 5,000 parts and systems.
CarShield doesn't just pay for covered out-of-warranty repairs. Each plan comes with a price lock guarantee for as long as you cover your car. Plus, nationwide 24/7 roadside assistance, courtesy towing, and rental car options too.
With CarShield, you have that peace of mind. You're not going to be stuck for a huge thousands of dollars bill.
CarShield helped me save over $2,000.
Get your free quote today and lock in your low monthly rate for car protection that keeps you safe and prepared. Call CarShield at 800-954-1554.
And here are the parts that people don't realize about CarShield. Plans have unlimited miles. Many folks assume there's a mileage cap. There isn't. Drive as much as you want. Your protection keeps going as long as you cover your car. No long-term contracts and plans for every budget.
Over the last 20 years, CarShield has helped save drivers over $1 billion in car repairs. 1 in 3 drivers will face some kind of breakdown each year, and that risk only goes up the older your vehicle is. Call CarShield before a breakdown happens.
I'm just a regular guy on a budget working 2 jobs, and having CarShield makes me feel great. The money I save goes a long way, you know?
Just look at the instant regret by this driver. I bet he wishes he called CarShield before a breakdown. Here's the bottom line. Car warranties expire, but breakdowns never stop, and neither does CarShield. If your vehicle is out of warranty, you need protection from the big hits. So do what I did and get yourself a plan from CarShield.
Call CarShield today to get your free quote and lock in your monthly rate for the entire time they cover your car. Call 800-954-1554. 800-954-1554.